person that has been exposed in the area of nuclear radiation, who has been with chemotherapy also, we can just then use the essence of T1 and of Dolphin Essence. That is the treatment set. These are two essences that are inside. So we put the T1 essence between the feet, and you have to touch it like this with the feet. Yes. And then we start working on the top with the Dolphin Essence. From here, starting from here, working like this, going down, slowly, slowly, slowly. And you can then also take it in your hand, like this, and go on working all the line like this. Slowly, slowly, slowly. It's cleaning all radiation that is accumulated in that area. So after X-ray, or people who have been exposed to nuclear contaminated areas, it's helping also for people with chemotherapy. You can also then measure it with the Geiger counter. And go down slowly till to the feet, down. So you can do this, for example, when you come out from the hospital after chemotherapy treatment. So people have much less side effects. And then please take the essences and you clean it. You can give it to him and he can clean it.